bringing solutions closer than ever before. EPFO Delhi North presents Samadhan Outdoor. Sanskriti School had surrendered its exemption, marking a significant transition from its earlier management under a private trust. In the aftermath of this shift, several complex issues related to members' service matters under EPF and EPAS came to light. A key challenge was the variation in members' dates of joining under EPF and EPAS schemes, particularly as many existing employees were brought within the ambit of EPAS after February 2014. Member records had gaps and mismatches that needed to be carefully sorted out. This discrepancy has led to frequent rejection of claims, causing concern among members. Recognizing the need for clarity and resolution, an outdoor Samadhan camp was organized at Sanskriti School to address grievances, streamline understanding, and provide a window for holistic awareness of PF-related matters. A step towards instant grievance redressal and empowered service delivery at your doorstep, where every grievance meets resolution. Upholding the vision that stakeholders are the true VVIPs, this initiative was personally led by Regional PF Commissioner Shri Abhyanand Tiwari, ensuring that every member receives priority, attention, and resolution. Even before the outreach program, EPFO Delhi North undertook an extensive pre-camp exercise, identifying, compiling, and resolving key institutional issues to ensure maximum impact and resolving the majority of cases in advance. From coverage-related discrepancies to bulk corrections, from complex legacy cases to missing KYC, EPFO Delhi North undertook a comprehensive pre-camp drive. Bulk corrections were processed, chronic cases resolved, and member records restored with precision and care. Every case was handled with care. Every concern was treated with importance. Because at EPFO, every member matters. On the day of the camp, members were engaged through personalized, one-to-one interactions, dedicated help desks, expert officers, and one-to-one interaction ensured on-the-spot grievance redressal. Members were empowered with digital knowledge, guided on online services, claim processes, and the ease of accessing EPFO benefits anytime, anywhere. Through interactive sessions with members and a focused member query resolution round led by officers, swift, seamless, and on-the-spot grievance redressal was ensured. By combining proactive action with on-the-spot service, EPFO Delhi North truly brought solutions closer, building trust, empowering members, and delivering excellence at every step.